Welcome back to my little creative corner of the internet, or welcome if you're new. And welcome to day number 11 of Junk Journal July. So let's dive into today's prompt of stamps by setting up a beautiful spread in our junk journal dedicated to the prompt of stamps. For this spread today I decided to take out my iPad and draw some digital flower stamps to include as today's ephemera. So here's a little speed run of today's Procreate drawing session. I just thought it would be fun to include the drawing process of those stamps as well, and not only have them in the physical hand right now to include into the journal. So I hope you enjoyed today's little fast stamp and post related junk journal with me, and I hope you are having a lovely day and spend some creative time in your journal or with your creative projects or your sketchbook. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, a thumbs up would make me really happy, and if you want to join me on my creative journey, hit the subscribe button down below. See you tomorrow.